Like so many rural hospitals across America, George E. Weems Memorial Hospital in Apalachicola is struggling. The county-owned hospital is losing millions of dollars a year and can't provide residents with much more than basic care. As News 13's Courtney Fegley tells us, county commissioners are considering the sale of the hospital to an area physician.
Franklin County Commissioners may sell George E. Weems Memorial Hospital to Dr. Huy Nguyen. Franklin County Commissioner Ricky Jones says Nguyen reached out to them with an appealing offer.
He talked about just outright buying the hospital and really making it where it was not a county hospital anymore, which is appeasing to a lot of the commissioners because we just don't have any business in the hospital business. You know, that we need to let healthcare people do that.
Nguyen says Weems is a money pit propped up by taxpayer dollars, and it's in dire need of an upgrade.
The operating loss last year was a negative 42% operating margin. You're in what I call the hospital, especially for rural hospital, this death spiral. You're just barely trying to keep the doors open, but you're definitely not attracting new patients or because you're not providing new services.
This wouldn't be Nguyen's first time flipping a hospital's physical or financial situation. He's in the process of renovating the failed Healthmark Regional Medical Center in Definiak Springs, renaming it North Walton Doctors Hospital, and opening it in June. Nguyen also became CEO of Doctors Memorial Hospital in Bonifay several years ago and doubled its revenue. He wants to replicate the same success with Weems.
We're going to convert to being a Florida rural emergency hospital, which then allows us to get the federal designation of a rural emergency hospital, and therefore the federal subsidy. This is a hospital structure that will not only garner or significant financial support to keep an emergency room open in a rural community, but better yet, help recruit physicians to those rural communities.
Jones says the residents of Franklin County deserve better medical care, and commissioners are considering Nguyen's offer.
Economic stability goes a long way toward providing that baseline that gives people a peace of mind about where they're trying to receive their care.
In Franklin County, Courtney Fegley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
If Dr. Nguyen takes over Weems, he plans to renovate the facility. He also says he plans to keep the current staff.